Hello. So we did something really cool today. One of my daughters were at a school event at one of the local schools nearby. And while I'm waiting for one of my children to usually finish an activity at school or something, I like to ride around with the other kids and just look around the area. If we're in a different area than where we're from, or where we live, and we like to look at houses, look at yards, look at their backyards, whatever we see and find interesting. We just kind of see what everybody else is doing around. So today we came across a house that had a bunch of chickens running around outside in a couple of chicken coops. So we were looking at the chickens, and then the owner of the house came out. Her name is Kimberly. She came out and she went, and all of a sudden we saw the chickens running, and we were like, "Where are they running to?" And you know, when chickens see you coming out, they think they're getting food, so they usually, they usually come out and run to you. So they did, and then she went over and she got an egg, just one, out of the chicken coop. She had 15 chickens. It was amazing. So while we were there looking, I decided, I'm going to go out and say hi to her. So I got out the truck and I said, hi. I was like, I was admiring your chicken coops here, and I said, did you build them yourself, or did you get a plan yourself, or did you buy them? She said, oh, we got them at Tractor Supply. And eventually, her husband came out and he was talking to me, and then they invited us to come in and see their chickens and just hang out for a bit. So myself, Sam, and our two little ones, got out and we went down to their chicken coop. So I have some video of what we saw down there and just the advice that she was giving us. Because I told her that we were interested in getting chickens soon, and I'm really excited about it. So it was really cool. So I hope you guys enjoy what you're about to see. Just some raw footage of what we did this morning. All right, here you go. Let's go see the chickens. Oh, Sam's feeding the chickens. Oh, look. Look at that. Hold on.
Mommy.
You want to feed some?
You want to feed
Would you
some?
like to feed them?
You can't eat it yourself. You got to. Let's see.
See, watch this. Watch
Hold on.
me. See, I take a little bit
mealworms.
and I throw. See, look, to come up. Throw it. Good job.
Silas.
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah.
Yay.
Good job.
Oh. I cannot wait to get chickens.
Here you go. Yeah.
Thank you so much
Oh,
for
sure.
this. Oh my
If-
goodness.
You can lift her up. I can let you peek in on some babies that we
Oh,
have.
okay, yeah.
Well, they're just starting out to be teenagers.
Oh my goodness. Silas, can I put your jacket up a little bit? There you go.
Okay.
All right.
Hey,
come with
this way,
mommy.
you want to see some
Come with
babies?
mommy. Let's go see the babies.
See some babies.
Yes. Oh, look at the chickens. Hello.
Good job. Good job.
Spencer, did you feed the chickens?
Yeah, I think it's
You did.
Want to see some babies?
Let's go see. Oh my goodness. Oh, that black one is beautiful.
Thank you.
I love how they're fluffy.
See, they just started getting their feathers about a month and a half ago.
Oh my goodness. So are those chicks that you hatched yourself, or?
No, my husband wanted some cochins,
Okay.
and
Yeah, I saw black cochins and blue cochins, right?
well, these
I've seen.
we
We've
asked
been
for
like looking and
blues.
reading and.
We wanted blue cochins, and they gave us these three. There was a hatchery that mailed them to us,
Okay.
so we picked them up at the post office.
Yep, that's what they say they
Do you
do.
want to try some mealworms?
Oh
Come
my
on,
goodness.
you guys. No.
You see
Okay.
the chickens? This is so cool.
Go ahead. Go feed the chickens.
Totally unexpected. My other daughter is going to be so mad that she's not here.
Come on.
She's at a Lego League scrimmage up at at Archbishop right now. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna see if I can catch the silk.
You're the rooster?
Gosh.
Oh, they're beautiful. Spencer, look at the chicken.
Want pet?
You want pet?
Touch it?
Yeah.
No, 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 no.
Easy. Pet.
You gotta,
No
you gotta
grab.
rub him. Touch
No
him
grab.
soft.
Pet. Pet.
Rub him. Just rub, him
Rub.
soft.
Can you rub? See, look. Say rub. Is it soft? Huh? Say hi. You want to pet him? Want to pet the silky? Oh, you
I know,
wanna do
she's like,
that
no, I want to
instead?
feed him. Spencer, look, you want to touch him? No, not the worms. The chicken. So they all give you good egg production?
Look, another
Well, they
one.
were all babies. Yeah, that's her rooster. We wanted it to be a hen, but that's her rooster.
Yeah. You see that rooster?
I want a
They're called silky banshee.
You need to get a silky bean.
Now, don't they lay the tiny eggs?
They're kind of on the small
Yeah.
side, but so most of these, let's see, most of these were babies
here.
this past spring,
Okay.
so they haven't
No,
started.
no, don't put your
laying
hand
yet.
in there. They're eating now.
They
might
haven't
get your
started laying yet,
fingers.
but we a lady saw us at the farmers co-op and
Uh-huh.
overheard us talking to the owner and told us that our husband had recently passed and she just couldn't take care of the 4 chickens that she had.
Okay.
So she asked if we would want them. So we
Aw.
took them,
Yeah.
and then my husband got the cochins he finally wanted, and then some neighbors about 4 or 5 houses down were moving, and
Okay.
they gave us their chickens.
Oh
So
my
now
goodness.
I've got 15.
That's crazy.
So what are the rings around their legs?
Oh, those are just to identify who they are. I put the rings on. I had their names written on it, but that didn't last. So, because we have 4 Americanas. See this one right here, this dark one? Right here. This one, that one, and that one to the right are all Americanas.
They look, I can see them looking that same. Definitely.
So,
You know, wherever you drop stuff,
They
going back.
keep coming.
They'll keep going back to it, keep scratching.
Oh my goodness.
Sometimes I'll take, you know, I'll go empty the food out,
Uh-huh.
sprinkle it around, and they'll dig up the whole area.
Wow.
So watch where you throw your scratch.
Watch where you're doing it.
Yeah.
well, if there's an area where, of course, there's weeds or whatever, just throw stuff
Right.
down where the weeds are, and they'll just
They'll
scratch it
take
up.
about it.
Yep.
Take care of it for you. Oh, this is so nice. They're so pretty and they're so friendly.
No.
So friendly.
Here. Where's the chicken?
There's chickens all around you.
So this one is Pom Pom, and the black one is Bon Bon. My daughter decided to name her chickens after food.
Okay.
This is Campbell,
Oh my gosh.
and
Okay.
this is Luna.
Oh.
Yes.
Hi.
Oh, guess what? I found Prue outside again. Yes. We need to shore up those holes.
How do you guys get many foxes after them?
We haven't had an issue yet.
Okay.
Yet.
That's what my mom, she said, if you guys get chickens, they're going to bring the foxes
What we're
over.
hoping to do, unfortunately,
Oh my
when we
God.
bought this place, where we're standing used to be a big brush pile.
Okay.
My husband worked on it this summer.
Okay.
And there's like another brush pile down there, and of course this here, and we're trying to knock it all down. The people who we bought from didn't do anything with the property.
Put it
Wow.
this way, where you're standing actually was this high.
Oh
full
my
of nothing
gosh.
but brush. I found the logs here.
Yeah.
Two trees.
My
You
goodness.
know, 3 trees in here.
Yeah,
There's
and
some
he
in the
hacked
back
down a bunch
lined
of
up.
trees.
I have another tree
Wow.
just came
Oh,
down.
look, there's a path over there.
Oh yeah.
That goes back, and then I cut a path all the way back to the stream. There's a stream
Good
back
job.
I saw the stream we were driving in, yeah. I said that. I said, oh, there's a
That's
stream
how you
down
make
there.
friends with chickens. You give them stuff that
Give
they
them
like
little
to
snacks.
eat. Yep.
Well, now we know we have another helper when we get our chicken.
You like the chicken, Silas?
There's another helper.
I definitely recommend if you get babies, handle them when they're babies. That way they
They get used to you and stuff.
That would be my thing.
Yeah,
Those babies right there, we actually had a large plastic tub, and the top we cut out, we put screen in it, and we just kept them in there until they got too big for it, and then we put them out here.
and then you put them in there. Just the tubs, like we bought in Walmart, right? Just those,
Yep,
those
just
tubs.
tubs like that.
Yeah,
So
yeah, we'll definitely have to do that.
That's like down with the dog.
Spencer and Silas, do you like the chicken?
chickens, chickens.
Be careful, nice and easy.
Yeah, that
You
was
silly
Owl.
boy, you silly boy.
That was Owl. You play with Owl. You play with Owl.
Be careful. No, no, don't grab him. Oh my goodness, this is awesome.
Ground's not even.
Spencer, where'd you go?
She's over there. Behind the chicken coop.
Okay.
Oh, I got an idea. Come here, you guys. Come here. You want to see where the chickens live? Yeah? You want to see where the chickens live? Come on.
Great.
Silas.
Now leave that.
Go this way.
Come here, Silas. So excited.
Step in and check it
Come
out.
here, let's go see. Look, come here.
There you go.
Slow down, Silas.
That's how they go inside. And then in here,
Uh-oh.
in here is where they live.
Oh, it smells so good. Like
Mommy!
what, your hand?
Spencer, you can see it better over here.
Come here.
Can you see? See? See, they at nighttime they roost right here, and then if they want to lay an egg, they can go in one of those boxes. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Silas, you want to see it?
And see, Sam, they got the fencing down here so nothing can dig under
Exactly.
to
Exactly.
get in there.
We're gonna try to bury it a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah, I have pins that I can put down on
Yeah.
instead of me
Be
digging
careful,
down.
Spencer.
Yeah, that one likes to curl up for some reason, so definitely be careful.
So
That's why I showed you this one.
Yeah.
This one.
I'll pin these down and just throw grass seed or
And yeah,
maybe I'll
so
make
it
it a
grows
couple
over.
rolls of roll some grass over top of it.
Yeah.
Hey, Spencer, come
Oh
here.
my gosh.
I'm trying to do it. It's cold out.
Yeah.
Look what I found in one of the nest boxes.
Oh my goodness.
Easy to break.
Don't squeeze it. Hold it nice. Easy. Okay?
Uh-oh.
That's an egg. That's an egg. That is an egg. That is an egg. Would you like to take it home? Yeah. Would you like to take it home? Yeah. You can take it home, but you gotta be real gentle.
Can you let
Real
Sam
gentle.
hold it for you?
Real gentle, okay?
Let Sammy hold it
Because
for
it'll
you,
break
okay?
very easy. Silas.
You got an egg. What do you say, Spencer? Spencer. Spencer. Hello, Spencer.
You want to let
say
Sam
thank
hold
you?
it so she keep it safe for you?
What do you say?
Can you tell her thank you over here, Spencer? Don't get shy. Look, tell her thank you for the egg.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Oh, thank you. This is so nice of you.
Oh,
to
my pleasure.
Welcome us down here and check out your chickens and your houses, and it's definitely a good experience for them to get a little taste of, just a little bit where they can see.
Silas.
I don't know. Sam let him run away.
Don't drop it. You got to hold it gently.
Can mommy hold it? Let me see.
We don't want it to break.
Mommy
There
will
we
hold
go.
It, okay?
It
That
can
way we
break
keep it.
very easy.
Yeah. Mommy hold it, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right. leave it
Sorry
to
for the little
chickens.
bit of dirt that's on
Oh,
it.
it's okay.
It's a fresh egg. It was just laid today.
Oh my goodness.
See,
So
the
do
ones
you
you
keep
get-
your eggs in the fridge or on the counter or what?
We were told that, and we have had no bad luck with this, that fresh eggs like that can be kept on the counter unwashed. But if they happen to get wet,
You okay, buddy?
oh, you got pom-pom.
Oh my goodness.
But if
You attacked him.
Oh
He
no.
jumped up. And,
oh, okay.
You okay? You can't let him run off, Silas. Pull his pants leg down, please, so he stays warm. 21 days unwashed. If it gets wet,
If it gets wet, you have to put them in the refrigerator because there's when they're laid, they have a film on it called a bloom.
I really hope you guys enjoyed watching that. We had a wonderful time this morning, learning as much as we could by that spur of the moment visit to, you know, a small farm with, you know, wonderful people. The children, they loved feeding them mealworms. They got to go inside the chicken coop. It was really fun. So we can't wait to get chickens. Like, I want them right away so that by the time spring gets here, they're well acclimated. They're enjoying us as a family, and they just, you know, it's gonna be fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I really do. Thanks for watching. Bye.